Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It was hot lately in the 28 to 30 degree range, and we wanted to get as close to the water as possible, so we came down to the Whitemud Creek here. The creek was still flowing fairly well. At this time it was getting a little low, but you'll see in earlier footage that I put in here, the creek was getting high enough for a type of canoe this guy was using. He was going down the Whitemud Creek with it. Sorry about the shake here. I had the GoPro clamped to the end of the hiking pole and I was trying to steady it. It makes me think I should have just put it in the water. Yeah, you find all kinds of things in the creek. This time we found a golf ball. These guys are fairly common. This creek area, the area around Edmonton, actually had quite a number of coal mines, and Whitemud Creek Valley was no exception. And this is not from somebody's yard. This is an actual natural coal. And you see these all over the place in this creek valley. This is probably the biggest I've ever seen. I left it there when I was done looking at it. I was trying the 4K out on the GoPro here, seeing if the bugs would show up. Yeah, on the computer screen, not bad. Beautiful morning. At this time it was only about 18 degrees. I think the high was going to be 30. Beautiful moss. The apple trees, I believe this is an apple tree, they were flowering everywhere. Oh yeah, that arrow is pointing out where the deer walk, along the side of the hill here. I don't know how they do it, but that's their trail, right along that steep bank. See a little bit more of it there. The airport seems to be getting a little more active. There's a lot of planes that day. We couldn't resist a few shots along the cliff here. My wife's got another video of me doing the same thing. Beautiful trail in here, this Whitemud area. Oh yeah, here comes the guy on his canoe. At this time the water was fairly high. We had a fairly good rain. So as you can see by the earlier video here, the water dropped down quite a bit by this time. You wouldn't have been able to do this at that time. Looks fairly relaxing. Not sure how he was navigating these. I'm not sure if he was portaging or just bombing over. Caught this goose family as they were going under the bridge and into the water here. They seem not bothered. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. Take care.